Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful section where I will show you guys how to use your smartphone to remove any kind of image background, and it's absolutely free of charge. So let's get into the class. Choose your browser. I will recommend you to use Chrome browser. So I click on I click on Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. Okay, it's loading. Okay, as you can see, this is my Chrome browser. So just type remove.bg, remove.bg, remove. As you can see, this is remove.bg. Okay, I will drop the link in the description below. So click on upload image. Upload image. So select file. Try to select file from your gallery. Select file. Okay, from your gallery. So okay, let me choose this one. Okay, it's uploading. Yeah, as you can see, it has removed the background automatically. So you can download it like this without any background. Download without any background. So you can use the picture to design your flyers. You can just to design your You can use it to design flyers, ID cards, and so on and so forth. So you can still edit it. So as you can see, so you can change the background. This one. Yeah, you can just check the one that you like, the one that is beautiful. Check it. So this one is okay. It's okay by me. Let me check it. Yeah, as you can see, this is the background. You can still go further and choose another set of background and another color. You can change it to black. So it's look okay. You can change it like this. You can choose, you can check and look for the one that is fine, that look amazing. Okay, this one is okay. Okay, let me choose this one. Okay, I think I like this one. Yes. So once you are done, just click on the downloading icon at the top on your screen. This is my downloading icon. I click on it. Okay, download image. So it has automatically downloads to your gallery. That's downloaded to your gallery. So you can just go back and check your gallery. So thank you for watching my video. See you guys in my next class, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.